Hi guys, welcome to Activity 3.1. We're now in Unit 3. Please number your learning targets number 1 and number 2. We're on page 162. Our big idea is we're going to preview the vocabulary for this unit. Then the second one, identify the skills and knowledge necessary to be successful in completing the embedded assessment. During this section, you're going to complete a think, pair, share, so you'll be sharing with your shoulder partner. QHT, you'll be questioning the words. H, you've heard it. T, you could teach it with all the new vocabulary. We do have a vocabulary test coming up on our old words, so make sure you know those. We will define them in our notebooks. Close reading, we'll be doing that. Marking the text, paraphrasing it in graphic organizers. Making connections. Please put your finger on making connections. It says, in the first part of the unit, you will read texts about the Holocaust that show both the tragedy of historical events and the ways in which people reacted to those events. This study will help you prepare to research current issues from around the world and choose one to which to create a persuasive multimedia campaign. So that's what you're doing at the end. Please underline that. This part. The study will help you prepare to research current issues from around the world and choose one current issue to create a persuasive multimedia campaign. Alright, we have our essential questions. The following essential questions will be the focus of the unit study. Respond to both questions. Number 1, why is it important to learn about the Holocaust? Please write that down. I'll pause it. Number 2, how can one person make a difference? Please write that down. All right, number 3, use a QHT chart to sort the academic vocabulary and literary terms in the contents. So I'm going to scroll up to your vocabulary so you can see all of your words, but I have them up here. I'm going to put them on the board. But let's see, these are your words right here. Our first word is communication, so you're going to have to put that under Q, H, or T. Resume, euphemism, slogan, media, media channels, target audience, evaluate. Then we have enunciation, found poemed, and call to action. Let me highlight those as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 11 words. These 11 words is what you'll have on the test at the end, so make sure you know these 11. Please put these on a QHT chart. I have them on the board as well, so make sure you're putting them in your QHT chart now. I'm going to pause the video. So this QHT chart goes in your composition notebook. Hopefully most of you had some in the T, some in the Q, and some in the H, but we want them all to be over to the T by the end of this. Now we're going to unpack the embedded assessment. Read the assignment below for embedded assessment number 1. It's on page 203. You're going to present a panel discussion in front of your peers in which you explain how the theme or central idea of finding light in the darkness is developed in a narrative you have read. After you have read the embedded assessment number 1 assignment and used the scoring guide to further analyze the requirements, work with your class to paraphrase the expectations. Create a graphic organizer to use as a visual reminder of the required concepts and skills. I'm going to hand that out now. It is the unpacking sheet, so I'm going to hand that out, and you are going to have 10 minutes to unpack what the assignment is. So let me put that up here really quick. You are now going to unpack embedded assessment number 1. It's on page 203. It's called Presenting Voices of the Holocaust. You're going to read the assignment. You're going to paraphrase the assignment in this first box right here. Paraphrase it in the first box. 2 minutes. Ready, set, go. I'm going to pause the video. Then you are going to, you can read basically what you have to do for the assignment, but the important part is the scoring guide or the rubric. Exemplary would be an A paper. Please write A over exemplary. Proficient is B. Please write B. Emerging is C, D. Please write C or D. And incomplete is an F. Please write F. So on these, this is really, really important that you are paraphrasing this on your paper. So the first box under ideas, you should see how many idea bullets there are, how many structure bullets, how many use of language bullets. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do this piece on the piece of paper. So what that means is under ideas, you have 1, 2, 3 bullets. So under ideas, you put 3 bullets paraphrased in your own words. Under structure, you have 1, 2, 3. You paraphrase it in your own words. Use of language, 1, 2, 3. Paraphrase it in your own words. At the end, this is 30 points. So you have to paraphrase the assignment to know where we're headed at the end. I'm going to time this 10 minutes. Ready, set, go.